Leaving Justin's shop, we got a truck full of heat in here. He actually would not let me put them in the bed to prevent them from getting scratched up or anything like that. So this stuff is looking good. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we got a good one for you guys. We're finally gonna reveal the color that I chose to powder coat all my suspension parts. First, we are going to go to Justin's shop and pick everything up, which I actually already did, but I'm gonna throw that footage in right now. Huge shout out to Justin at JL Custom Coatings. I'm gonna link him down below to his Instagram page. I'll also put it in the video right here. But big shout out to Justin for getting all this stuff powder coated in a really fast turnaround time. And let's go get these parts without further ado. Show you guys a sneak peek and then the full color reveal. Here it comes. Out here with Justin at JL Custom Coatings.
You know how it is.
He's spraying some kind of grape color. We got here, let me show you what we brought over here. Lower control arms, Kryptonite uppers, Kryptonite death grip tie rods. We are doing the ball and the set of track bars. Nice little shop in here. Stay tuned for the full reveal. Just a minute.
We got mega joy. If you try to silence us, we make mega noise. And we ain't got no time for the beta boys. Say it with a mega voice. 27 yeah, I'm a mega boy, stomping in the mega hat. Try and take my gun, believe me, I'ma take it back. I know some blacks for Trump, you could call him mega black. Culture vulture on the mega track, I'ma pay him back. Ay, you don't want the beef, we ain't the coward type. And we ain't no Antifa, we know how to fight. I'm a nitty gritty alpha, you a flower type. I'm about that action, you a fraction.
Guys, now that you saw Justin's shop, the little sneak peek, check out this color. Oh my God, it is so good. It's like almost a different color in the shade or the dark, and then the sunlight, it's like a bright, you know, candy teal. But then when it is a little darker out, it looks kind of like a dark blue, dark greenish tint. Obviously, these are the track bars that we built. Check out the Kryptonite parts though. Oh, that's so good. I did not get the center link powder coated because I figured, I don't know, too much of this is machined, so I didn't know what we could powder and what not. I'm assuming you could powder coat pretty much everything except these holes, but this is also something that you literally cannot see under the truck, so didn't really matter to me. And I think this raw, like, stainless finish looks really cool. Check out the lowers too though. The lowers are looking sick. Everything is so glossy. It's crazy to me that these parts right here are so expensive and I have so much wrapped up in them, but it is so cool because these are some of the beefiest parts on the market, and we just had to get them a custom color for the Nasty Nate Duramax. Oh yeah, I actually bought the OEM or factory Kryptonite stickers for the upper control arms. Gotta advertise the good guys, you know. That stuff is some badass stuff and we gotta keep the stickers on there. So I reached out to them and they told me you can actually buy these on their website. They're like 10 bucks a piece. It's actually a stainless steel sticker. Really crazy, but that should never have a problem. And then obviously we already got the ball joints and bushings pressed into the lowers. Did that last night. Super annoying to do. If you have a press, it's not that bad, but man, not something fun to deal with because these things are super heavy too. They're like 40 or 50 pounds a piece. God, this stuff looks killer. I'm so excited to get it on the truck. This weekend it's going on the truck, so make sure you stay tuned for all the how-to videos. Gonna do how-to upper control arms, lower control arms, all the steering stuff, wheel bearings, and a track bar video coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned to that. Guys, I waited like 15 more minutes for the sun to come up, and oh my God, it is hitting. You can just see all the sparkle in this powder coat. Here, let me get on the track bar right here. Oh, that is so sick. Guys, oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. I cannot wait to throw these parts under the truck. This stuff is looking nasty. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I just wanted to show you the color, give you guys a sneak peek of what all this stuff is gonna look like on the truck. We gotta get this thing cleaned up. I'm throwing the track bars on today. This weekend, we're putting all this front end stuff on. Make sure you stay tuned to the Nasty Nate channel right now. Subscribe down below and you will catch these parts on this truck very soon in the next couple videos. Stay tuned to Nasty Nate. We'll catch you in the next one.